Arrive in style with this Ford 2007 Explorer XLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include traction control, stability control, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, conventional spare tire, aluminum wheels and power steering. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.